everybody, it's me, Miss T, from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. Thanks for stopping in for another special STEM project. Today, it is fun with Bug versus Ninja. And what do you need to make your own Bug and Ninja fighters? Okay, so we're going to use plastic eggs, so any color, any size. But you can also, just to help yourself out, look for the eggs that have, like these, 2 holes on top, just like that. Also, tape, so we have pieces of tape here. This is duct tape. I'm also going to use, I also used a bit of masking tape, which is that light colored tape right there. So if you don't have masking tape, that's fine. Also use masking tape on this one. Let's see. Googly eyes. Who among us do not like googly eyes? Pipe cleaners. I cut mine out. So there you go. Now, for the inside of the egg, you can use a little ball marble or pennies. If you have some tape, you put them right in and can tape up the bottom of the egg. Or if you have putty, just like this, you don't need tape, you just need putty. And you do not need all 3 at one time. You can use one or whatever you have available, right? Okay. Now, for all of our toy professionals out there who love toys, who like talking about toys, or just want to walk down memory lane, for our parents and grandparents out there, shout out to you guys. We're going to talk Weebles, and we're going to talk gravity, right? So, first and foremost, this is based on the Weeble principle, right? And for all of you young toy pros out there, the model, or even the Weebles had their own saying. Weebles wobble, but what? They don't fall down, right? So Weebles, they've been around a while, so about maybe 40, 50 years or so. So Weebles wobble, but they don't fall down. It was true then, and it's true now. So this is a picture of the original Weebles. And shout out to Paw Patrol. Hey, Paw Patrol fans out there. They have a whole set for a whole new generation. Now, we're talking Weebles, but we're also going to talk gravity. Why? Because we all fall down, right? If you fall, if you trip, what happens? You fall down. So, first book is called I Fall Down, written by Vicky Cobb. But first, before we do that, to start you off with your egg, you can start off with your tape. Put it, the masking tape right across here. And then you can take your glue and a googly eye and put them right here. Okay? So I won. Huh? And number 2. So already giving your egg some personality. So now also you can use smaller pieces of tape and you can give your ninja character even more personality. Put the eyebrows on. Alright. Just like that. Now this part is your imagination, so however you want to do it is just fine. And then we can also take a longer piece and put it just under here so it can look like a sash that all ninja fighters wear, right? There we go. And Just gonna put another little piece here. Just a little X on the sash. Ooh. And it's looking official. Looking like a real ninja fighter. So I'm gonna put this here so their eyes can dry. And then our second one, we could do the bug. So that's why it was important just to say, look for eggs that have 2 holes here. So you can put your pipe cleaner here in one. And you can bend it however you want to, shape those antennas. Right? Give them a little personality. And the same thing goes with the googly eyes. You can use glue, put them right on there. And then I used a marker for the mouth. So I'm just going to put in on eye number 2 right here. And now the mouth. So I just took a little Sharpie right here. And we're just going to put a mouth right here. So that's easy as that. Simple as that. So already we have a bug and a ninja. So I'm going to give you a little time for you to make yours. And then we're going to put the putty in after we talk about gravity. And I fall down. So I'm not going to read the whole thing, just like a few pages. And from this book, and then from this book called Gravity by Grace Hanson. Know what happens when you trip? You fall down. Know what makes things fall? It's a force called gravity. As long as you are on Earth, you can't get away from it. Gravity is always pulling things. Know which way? Down, down, down. And that was from I Fall Down by Vicky Cobb and illustrated by Julia Gordon. The second one is simply titled Gravity by Grace Hanson. And I'm going to go here to this page that says life. Without gravity, there would not be life on Earth. You can thank gravity the next time you fall down. So that was Gravity by Grace Hanson. I just wanted to read a few pages just to talk about the importance of gravity and why weebles wobble, but they don't fall down. We fall down, right? So because of gravity, we don't fall up, we fall down, right? So we're going to test the weebles right now. Now, I'm going to let these guys dry. Now, these I made a while ago, so there's no putty in them, right? So let's see. I said bug versus ninja. So let's see if they're going to fight Weeble style. All right. So, first of all, we just want to make sure they are secure, that they're tight. And now, the bug. I'm going to knock you down. Ninja, I'm going to knock you down. Okay, let's see what happens. Right? Ninja and bug. Knockout. Equal No excitement. Ah. So now, how do they, or how can we get them to defy gravity by not falling down? I'm going to take a little bit of putty, just like this, and I'm going to put it at the bottom of the egg. And you just want to spread it out, just like this. Okay? And we're going to put the top back on. Make sure it's good. And should be able to stand up. Oh. Right there, even standing up. Now, just our ninjas just leaning just a little forward, right? Because of gravity, but also because you just want to work with the putty a little bit so that, and you can, take off the top and work with it a little bit so that if you want your egg to stand all the way up, you can fix that, okay? Just by changing and just by rearranging how your putty is lying right there at the bottom of the egg. So now I'm going to close this up. I'll put a piece of tape on the back. So let's see now. Let's see now. Oh, let's see now. I think Bug just said something to Ninja. Oh, I'm ready. The Ninja was like, oh, bring it on. Oh, let me clear everything out. And let's see if these, our own Weeble characters, if they will wobble. But what happens? Will they fall down? Or will they not? I will knock you down! I will knock you down! Uh-oh. I sense some hostility. Oh! Oh, wait a minute. Let's see again. Let's try it again. I will knock you down. I will knock you down. Okay. They're coming out of their corners, and... Oh, wow. What happened? Right. Neither one fell down. That is because the putty is at the bottom and it changed their weight. So once their weight is changed, and because of the shape, gravity is pulling them, but gravity is also pulling them back up. So, Weebles are wobbling, but Bug and Ninja are not falling down. Right? So that was just a simple way of showing you how gravity works for us, or it can work against us. Okay? So this is Miss T, along with Ninja, and along with Bug from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. We all three thank you for stopping by. And until next time, stay curious, stay experimenting, and until next time, guys, woo! Don't fall down, okay? Stay grounded, and so long for now. Oh, that's kind of